back here. I'm trying to show it the best I can. For $2,000, I will say, I'm actually quite surprised. It is every bit worth it. Every bit. Welcome back to the community, everybody, and thank you all for being part of it. And yes, Heather is here today to aggravate us.
Yep.
We're doing something different this week. And no, we didn't finish the 68, obviously, but we're going to see a 67 panel bust that's for sale for $2,000. So we're going to go, you've seen this bust before, trust me, you'll know when you see it, which is really a good price. It's like a steal. But we want to go take a look at it. I don't think I'll be buying it. I have too much else going on. Wait till the end of the video. I'm going to tell you about major changes to this channel when Chaos the 68 is done. Major changes, and I think it's going to really, really make the channel a lot better.
Yep.
Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's go see it. Make sure you subscribe to VW Trends Magazine. I'm really a big supporter of them, and they do support me also. Pop down into the description below and go ahead and subscribe to VW Trends. They do a lot of stuff for us DIYers and things of that nature. So give it a shot. Okay, we'll be there in about 5 minutes. I didn't want to film the whole trip here. I was going to do that and put some music on, but I know most folks fast forward through that stuff or get bored watching country roads. So like I said, it's a 67 panel bus walkthrough. That's what he told me it's called, a walkthrough. I'm not that good with buses, and hopefully Heather don't aggravate me to grab it. But we'll be there in a couple of minutes, and we're going to go ahead and see. I know it needs a lot of work, and I'll explain everything, but for $2,000 for a bus in 2025, wow. Alrighty, we are here. It's not a real far drive. Let's go ahead and see what the deal is. And no, you're not buying it. Heard that
So
little
you think.
giggle. Alrighty. There's that Mercedes is still there. Okay, we're heading up. We'll check out some stuff before we leave real quick. See what else is left here. And there's the 67 tucked back in. There's even stuff in the weeds. We'll check it out.
I don't think the lawnmower is going to be able to do that.
I'm getting there. Okay. 67 panel bus with the extra windows. It's a walkthrough, he called it. So let's look here first. I actually thought it would look a little worse for $2,000. Oh, door opens. Let's take a peek there. I mean, these buses bring a lot of money now. They really do. Oh, we got lots of bees around. See what we got here. That floor looks solid over here. Just a little bit of work right there. Actually, I thought that'd be a little worse up front. Yeah, you got the radio in it. I just think these are unique. I don't know much about them though, so you'll have to assess what these little extra features are. It's got the front end under it, the front beam. Needs some work in the bottom. So you got a little boo-boo in the back there, which I don't believe is really a big deal, not for the price. See if we can get back in here without getting bit or anything weird. There we go. Heather got that open. Look at that. Comes with drapes.
Yeah, those are crispy.
That's not that bad back there.
No.
I'm surprised. Looks like some VW Thing fenders, but no, they do not come with it. Oh, sorry, folks. A little hard to film here. He does have a transmission that comes with it. Yes, it comes with it.
We should do this.
Knew that was going to happen, but no. I mean, I don't think
It's
anyhow.
not that bad.
No, it's really not for the price. In all sincerity, these buses, they bring a lot of money.
I mean, it is not that bad.
But it does come with the transmission, so that's one less thing.
Watch the glass here. And the door here.
I've got a Volkswagen door there. Okay.
Okay.
See the front door here. Probably
Whoops.
needs the pillar fixed. Oh, it's not that bad. Wow, I thought this was going to be a lot worse. I honestly did. Alrighty.
It's not lining up.
No, it's okay. The glass is good on these.
Hey, the door panels aren't that bad.
No, these are easy to fix. Sorry, I know this is not the best filming for this, but it's tough to film some of these when they're in the weeds and that. This might be an extra door, but I'm not sure. I really don't know, but it appears to be that way. That might be an extra door that comes with it. A little bit of floor work there. Not too bad. Let me try to move this seat. No, the floors aren't bad there. Wow. A little bit of floor work, but nothing major. I've seen much worse. I'll bet you that door comes with this. It's even the same color. Look at the back compartment, how solid it is. Wow. I'm actually quite surprised. I thought it was going to be worse. I really did. I never paid much attention to it before. Heather's closing it the proper way.
Yeah, they work.
Huh. A little bit of oiled up and the windows wind open. How cool is that? That one will need some glass in it. And back here, I'm trying to show it the best I can. For $2,000, I will say, I'm actually quite surprised. It is every bit worth it. Every bit. And I'm not just saying that. That back quarter section, the corner cab's okay. I had to come down and see this. Wow. Take everything I got not to buy this. Yeah. That's it, folks. $2,000. I'm going to put a link in the description for the marketplace ad that he put it up on, so you might not want to mess around if you have interest in it. And he'll help you get it loaded if needed. I can't let Heather buy this. We have too much going on now. That really isn't a bad deal to fix that. They sell panels for these, which is nice. But truthfully, it's not in bad condition. So if you're interested, go down in the description, add to the marketplace. It's a personal friend, so I know the deal with it. Got to fix a little bit on the roof, but I've seen much worse. I've seen guys take these that were just, there wasn't much left of them and redo them. So yeah, it's definitely a steal. All right, well, at least everybody gets to see what it looks like.
It's pretty decent shape for 2000. We should
Yeah.
grab it.
I don't know. With us trying to finish the 68 net, I think that would be a lot to get into. We got to get the 68 done. We have the 77 up for sale, so we'll get it figured out.
Yep.
Hang tight. We'll finish up at the house so I can tell you what's going on when the 68's done. There's a massive turnaround on the channel coming, very massive. And I think a lot of you are really going to like it and get a kick out of it. So check down in the description for the bus to the marketplace. That's a dang good deal. And I'll catch up with you in a moment. Hang tight. I'll be right back. All right, what'd you think?
I like it.
It's actually
for $2,000.
For $2,000, it's in good shape. Down in the link is a description to the marketplace ad. I can't buy that right now. And here's what's going on. The 77 that we had for Heather, this one here, yes, that one's going to be sold. It's on the marketplace. We're shifting gears. What's going to happen in the channel is kind of interesting. We're going to go ahead and start doing members cars. So that'll change every week or two, a different members car. Instead of you watching me do another car over, you're going to get bored with this. So we're going to do that. I might have an oval that I'll be working on. So we're going to switch up a little and grab everybody's Volkswagens up and do all kind of work on them and see how that works out.
I think it'll be fun. It'll be more
yeah.
interesting.
Well, one thing you got to know, folks, this isn't about how much money we can make. That is not what this is. But YouTube pays pennies, and I spend thousands. So this is our second car. It'll be done in 4 months. This will be finished. So that's when I'm going to make a decision on whose car's coming in here, what we're going to do to it. And it'll get a different flavor change every week or two, or maybe long-term, depending on the one I bring in. But it'll be club members' cars. So that's what we're going to do. I think it's exciting. And it'll help people who can't maybe work on their own car or what have you. Volkswagen air-cooled. We're going to stay air-cooled.
Yeah.
But every once in a while, if you do see me do something crazy, like somebody needs their 70 Chevelle tuned up, I may throw that stuff in as extra videos.
Or heck, if I get a Falcon or a Nova, I mean,
yeah.
you know, geez, you might have to work on it.
Right, and that'll be extra videos. I won't stop the Volkswagen air-cooled. That will absolutely always be here with all the videos, and we'll do more and more. So lots of changes coming. I'm excited. We got 4 months left. That's my deadline on this mentally for myself. So I hope you enjoyed today. I think it was fun. That is a good deal for $2,000. Don't ask me a bunch of questions I don't know. Just go down into the description, go to the marketplace, and message him. Evan's really nice to deal with. So thank you for being here. Thank you, Heather, for going along.
Thank you for having me.
Sunday night live chat. It may be just me this weekend because Heather's going to be away. Unless she stays home, we'll see.
Yeah, if I'm going to be home, I'll probably stop in.
Yeah. So everybody, have a great weekend. See you Sunday night, 9 p.m. Eastern for the live chat on the community channel.